Hi folks, I am making chicken piccata tonight. A lot of times we make chicken piccata and we fry it in butter and oil. I'm going to do it a little differently this time. It's still absolutely delicious and you're saving a little bit of calories and frying. So I'm going to show you how I do it. So first of all, we're going to dredge the seasoned chicken in flour. You can use gluten-free flour or whatever you want to use. And then an egg and water. And then I have some gluten-free crumbs, panko crumbs. And then I put it right on a baking sheet. And so we're just going to do that for all the pieces. And then I'm going to put it in the oven. The chicken is in the oven baking, and now we're going to make our lemon garlic sauce. Ready? So we're going to take 1 tablespoon of butter and about a tablespoon of olive oil. Now we're going to add the garlic that we crushed. So now we're going to add about a cup because we have a lot of chicken. And then we're going to add a little bit of our salt and our lemon. And then we're going to add capers. Capers are amazing and delicious. We're going to let that simmer a bit, and then we're going to add a little bit of flour to thicken it. And then we're going to pour it over our chicken when our chicken's done. It's perfect. It doesn't add as much butter and oil as if we were frying it, and it's delicious. So I hope you'll try this recipe. It's one of our favorites. Let us know if you do, because we'd love to hear.